Homemade liquid organic fertilizer, POC, is an environmentally friendly solution for fertilizing plants. It's easy to make, utilizing organic materials such as kitchen waste, animal manure, or agricultural waste. The process involves fermentation with EM4 or brown sugar to produce the nutrients plants need. Potato peels, onion peels, and plant leaves can be processed into liquid organic fertilizer. These ingredients contain nutrients that are beneficial to plants and can be fermented into a nutrient-rich fertilizer. How to make liquid organic fertilizer. 1. Gather ingredients. Collect potato peels, onion peels, red and white, and unused plant leaves. 2. Prepare a container. Use a clean plastic container or bucket. 3. Chop. Cut or chop the organic materials into smaller pieces to make them easier to decompose. 4. Fermentation. Mix the organic materials with air in a container. Add a fermentation starter. You can use EM4 or another liquid organic fertilizer to speed up the process. Mix thoroughly and close the container tightly. Let it ferment for several weeks, 2 to 4 weeks, stirring occasionally. Benefits of liquid organic fertilizer. Improves soil fertility. Liquid organic fertilizer is rich in nutrients that plants need for growth. Reduces dependence on chemical fertilizers. Using liquid organic fertilizer can reduce the use of chemical fertilizers that are harmful to the environment. Improves crop quality. Liquid organic fertilizer can help improve the quality and quantity of crop yields. Supports sustainable agriculture. The use of liquid organic fertilizer aligns with the principles of environmentally friendly, sustainable agriculture. Strain. After the fermentation process is complete, strain the liquid organic fertilizer to separate the dregs. 6. Dissolve and use. Dilute the liquid organic fertilizer with water according to the recommended dosage, usually 110 or 120, before applying it to plants. Benefits of liquid organic fertilizer for cucumbers. Improves growth. Liquid organic fertilizer contains micronutrients, nitrogen, and iron, which are essential for cucumber plant growth, especially during the active phase. Improves soil quality. Liquid organic fertilizer can improve soil structure, increase air absorption, and support beneficial soil microorganisms. Improves crop yield. Research shows that liquid organic fertilizer can increase fruit length, fruit diameter, number of fruits per plant, and fruit weight. Improves plant resistance. Liquid organic fertilizer can help cucumber plants become more resistant to pests and diseases. How to apply liquid organic fertilizer. Foliar spraying. Foliar fertilizer. Dissolve the liquid organic fertilizer, POC, in clean water according to the recommended dosage. Then spray it on the plant's leaves, especially the undersides. Soil watering. Basic fertilizer. Dissolve the liquid organic fertilizer, POC, in water, then spray it around the plant. Application frequency. It's best to apply the liquid organic fertilizer regularly, for example, once or twice a week, depending on the condition of the plant and the type of fertilizer. Liquid organic fertilizer, POC. Shallot skins can be processed into liquid organic fertilizer, POC, which is rich in nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which plants need for healthy growth. Making liquid organic fertilizer from onion skins is quite easy. Soak the skins in water for several days, then strain and dilute the solution before applying it to plants. 2. Botanical pesticide. Shallot skins contain active compounds such as acetogenins and flavonoids, which are effective in controlling plant pests and diseases, such as caterpillars, aphids, and fungi. To make a botanical pesticide from onion skins, soak the skins in water for several days and then spray them on plants affected by pests or diseases. Benefits of liquid organic fertilizer, POC, from plant leaves. Improves soil fertility. POC contains macro and micronutrients and organic matter that help improve soil structure, increase air retention, and enhance the activity of beneficial soil microorganisms. Fertilizes plants. POC can stimulate plant growth, including chlorophyll formation in leaves, root nodule formation in legumes, and enhance the plant's ability to absorb nutrients. Increases crop yields. By improving soil fertility and plant growth, POC can contribute to increased crop yields, both in quantity and quality. Increases plant resilience. POC can help plants become more resistant to drought, weather changes, and pest and disease attacks, as it contains the nutrients plants need to strengthen their immune systems. Benefits of liquid organic fertilizer. Improves soil fertility. Liquid organic fertilizer is rich in nutrients that plants need for growth. Reduces dependence on chemical fertilizers. Using liquid organic fertilizer can reduce the use of chemical fertilizers that are harmful to the environment. Improves crop quality. Liquid organic fertilizer can help improve the quality and quantity of crop yields. Supports sustainable agriculture. The use of liquid organic fertilizer aligns with the principles of environmentally friendly, sustainable agriculture. Some of the results you can expect from using homemade liquid organic fertilizer. More fertile soil. POC can increase the organic matter content in the soil, improve soil structure, and increase the availability of nutrients for plants. Better plant growth. Plants will grow more vigorously, with sturdier stems, greener leaves, and stronger roots. Higher quality harvests. Plants will produce larger, sweeter, and juicier fruits or vegetables. Plants are more resistant to disease. POC can help increase plant resistance to pests and diseases.